Hey everyone, welcome to the Hair Transplant channel. My name is Joe Tillman and you're watching the official YouTube channel for hairtransplantmentor.com. Right, in today's video we're continuing the hair restoration educational series by Dr. Sever Muresanu. Of course, one half of the dynamic duo over at Hattingen Hair, with the other half being his wife, Dr. Laura Muresanu. In this video, Dr. Muresanu is talking about post-surgery medication use. Is it necessary? Which is a great question. I get it all the time. So let's just jump right into it.
Is it obligatory to take medication after a hair transplant? No, very individual decision. If you take it, realistically, the hope is that you slow down hair loss, that you stop it at best. There's some cases where a lot of this miniaturized hair can get sort of a revival, a renaissance, can become a little bit stronger again, a little bit thicker again. But for most patients, it's just a slowing down or stabilization of hair loss. This is also not a permanent effect. At some point, the effects of medication will go down and the genetic destiny will continue. What happens if you don't take medication? Well, hair loss will continue. The transplanted hair will remain where it was placed. And here is where the importance of proper long-term planning and choosing the right moment to start with a hair transplant becomes critical. Addressing entire areas that can stand on their own despite hair loss is a very desirable goal when planning a hair transplant. Also, from the patient perspective, budgeting for more than one session if necessary. So having a general long-term plan and budgeting, of course, financially, but also from an emotional point of view. And the famous hair greed is not to be underestimated. You get used to an improved hair situation, and when the hair loss continues, there's a little bit of a disappointment. Here we go again. But if you expect it and if you plan for it ahead of time, it's not that bad. And there is the possibility of doing a second session, or maybe at some point even a third session. And this brings back into focus the necessity of this long-term view of planning of this hair management and having realistic expectations.
And there we go, another great video by Dr. Sever Muresanu of Hattingen Hair in Switzerland. And I think that the underlying theme of this video, this point, is the fact that whether you're taking medication or not, the long-term goal, the long-term plan needs to be in mind when you have your first hair transplant surgery, because it's very rarely the only surgery you'll ever need if you are suffering from male pattern hair loss. So that's it. We're out of here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Ring the bell for all notifications. More of these videos and others are coming out pretty soon. And of course, like the video if you found this useful. I'm out of here. Peace.